Hey there, I'm Krista with WTI. You know that satisfying feeling that you get when a knife glides through butter? Well, that's the very same feeling that I get each time that I use this LAUDLIFE cordless electric knife. I'm really loving the cordless design and rechargeable aspect of this knife. Not only does it cut down on kitchen clutter, but it gives me the freedom to move around without being tied to an outlet. And the childproof lock is great for keeping little hands safe, but to be honest, it's probably protecting me from myself on some days too. This set comes with two blade lengths, both 6 and 8 inch, and I use the shorter blades for things like fruit or veggies, and the longer one for bigger jobs like slicing through a sourdough loaf of bread. It's super comfortable to hold. The grip fits perfectly in my hand, so I'm not struggling or straining while I slice. And when I'm done, it's so convenient that the blades come right out and I can put them straight into the sink or dishwasher. Honestly, this LAUDLIFE cordless electric knife is one of my kitchen's little luxuries that make my food prep just feel so effortless. And that's my point of view.